Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to create a spinning timeline animation on Capcut application. So the first thing that you need to do is open your Capcut like this and then import a clip that you want to add this motion. Okay, and then when you already import your clip, go to the text button on your main toolbar, click it and add a text onto this clip. So for example, let me type 2021 and have space. 2022, 2023, 2024, and 2025. Okay, now when you're done adding a text onto this clip, you just need to go to the styles, this one, and swipe left this section until you found a curve styles, and then go to this button and increase the size or the curve from the text. Make sure it make a circle shape, kind of like this, and then you can change the font of it if you want, but for me I would like to use this regular fonts, and I'm going to change the color from these fonts. So just go to the text and change the color of it onto orange. Hit the check button when it's done. Now swipe left your toolbar of a text and hit this lasting text to make the text have a same duration as the main clip. And then the next step, you just need to increase the size of it and put it onto the exact location that you want. For me, I'm going to put it on this side and add a keyframe onto the first duration and go to the last duration, this one, and go to the basic. Go to rotate basic and rotate your text onto the or rotate your text for maybe like 2 times, and like this. As you can see, there will be a guide how many times we rotate the text. So it's 1 times and 1 more time thing onto the side, and I'm going to set it on this 2024. Okay, hit the check button when you're done, and then go to the middle of each keyframe and click the grabs button and use this cubic grabs, this one. Okay, when you're done, hit the check button, and the next step that you need to do is export this clip. Okay, click export and wait for a moment until the process is complete. Okay, go back and you can delete all of these elements on this page and click the plus button. Now the next step you need to do is import your clip that you already saved before, adding it like this, then click it, swipe left your toolbar until you found masking tools like this and put it on this side. But before you doing that, as you can see, the screen is going to be a black screen, and because of that we need to add another clip onto this main clip like this, and then go to the clip that have text on it, set it as an overlay like this and drag it onto the first duration like this. Now adjust the duration from the main clip, make sure it has a same duration as the overlaid clip, and like this. Okay, now the next step, like previously I did, you just need to swipe left your toolbar on the overlaid clip until you found these masking tools and use this rectangle tools or rectangle masking and adjust it like this, increase it, and the next step, increase the feather to make it have kind of like silhouette effect like this. Hit the check button when you're done, and this is the final result of it. And as you can see, now we have this spinning timeline text motion on this clip. That's the way to create it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.